Hello YouTube, I'm back with another unboxing. So let's get started. Put this really quick behind the camera. And let me see, guys. No. Okay. So I have ordered some coin capsules, and they just arrived in the mail. And let's take a closer look. Okay, here you got it. You see that? It's not okay. That's okay. And what else? I think this one has some scratches on it, so let's take a closer look. This side is okay, but this side has some problems. As you can see that. Let me show you. Yes, there's some scratches on it, but yeah. So, some other capsules, more. So in total I have 10 coin capsules, and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is all for now. I want to thank you for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe.